How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to go over how to get Excel to calculate the mean, the median, and the mode of a data set. So we have a data set right here, a bunch of numbers. They are sorted from smallest to largest just to make it easier for us to look at them. And we want to calculate three things: the mean, the median, and the mode. So to calculate the mean, okay, what you have to do, you want to enter equals, like for any function in Excel. You start with entering equals, and then you want to calculate, or you want to type in average. Okay, that's the function term for mean value in Excel, average. Open bracket, then just click and drag over the area where the numbers are that you want the average of, and you'll see the coordinates from the starting of that area to the ending of that area will appear, right? So the top cell here is B3, right? That's its column and row, and the bottom cell is B19. Alternatively, you can just type in those coordinates, B3 colon B19, and the result is the same. Whether you drag it or type in the coordinates, close bracket and hit enter, and that gives you the mean value. Okay, if we want to change the number of decimal places, we can just go to Home, and under this white bar here, there's these buttons with circles and arrows, so we can change the number of decimal places. So for the median, very similar, you hit equals and type median, open bracket, and again you can click and drag over the area, or you can just put in the coordinates of the opposite corners of the data, in our case B3 colon B19, hit enter, and that gives you the median. In our case, the median is 5. You can also calculate the mode. Now, there's different ways to calculate the mode. If you just go equals mode, open bracket, highlight the area, and close bracket, then it gives you a mode, but if your data has two modes, it'll only give you one of them. So this data here, for example, has two modes. The number 5 appears 4 times, and the number 7 also appears 4 times. And this function here, mode, it only gave us one of those modes. It only gave us the 5. So if we want all of the modes, right, then you want to use mode.mult. Okay, so that's mult, like multiple. Mode.mult, then highlight all of the data, close bracket, or you type in the coordinates, close bracket, and hit enter. And you see that returns a 5 and a 7. Okay, so here we typed in equals, and then average was the function term. Here it was median. Here the function term was mode. And here the function term was mode.mult. Okay, and then for each of those we open brackets, put in the coordinates, closed brackets. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.